So you can now pick a question and we will read that for you. Alright, so your question is, what does it truly mean to be an ally to the LGBTQIA plus community?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. An ally, of course, is part of the LGBTQIA, which is an ally. You are part of the progress where the LGBT is where we are right now. We are experiencing progress when it comes to diversity and respect. And how can an ally be an effective? Definitely by creating a respectful dialogue where they can openly discuss, listen, and understand our individual differences. An ally can be part of HCL commitment toward inclusivity. You don't need to be necessarily a gay or lesbian. You can be a supportive one. You are an ally. And with this, we can make a world of difference. We can grow and uplift one another as one community and strengthening equality and diversity. Diyos na malahay na gabi. Tama.